Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. Okay, this is my class. I have a few class. There is node class, linked list, empty list, exception, stack, shoes, queue, and shoes. Okay, my node, first of all, I will explain about the nodes. Okay, here is the public class node. This is a default constructor, and we got normal constructor. And if you want to update data, we can use this line of code. And if you want to update the reference to the next node, we can use this line of code. And we have get the data, get the next data, and print. So, and for the queue class, we got uh, uh, class queue extending list, and we got void enqueue, object dequeue, object get front, object get end, and release empty and string print. And for the empty list exceptions, there's the list is empty if we don't put any of data. And the linked list, we got node head tail current, and we got class void insert at front object data, and class size, and insert at back object data, and object get first through empty list exception, and object get next sorry, and object get last through empty list exception, and object remove from front through empty list exception. And lastly, we got object remove from back through throws empty list exception. Okay, for the stack, we got class stack extending list, public stack, public void push, object, public object pop, object pick, boolean is empty, and string print. And for the shoes, I have write a line of code that we have to input the code type brand price quantity, and here is the default constructor. And for the code the data type is string, for the type is string, for the brand is string, for the price is double, and for the quantity is integer. So this is the class shoes, that this is the string get code, string get type, string get brand, and double get price, and integer get quantity. And for the mutator is public void set code, public void set type, public set brand, public set price, and public void set quantity. And the lastly is print the output string, public string to string. So the output will be like this: code type brand price quantity. Okay, for the main shoes, here import import java.util, import java.io exception, and import java.text decimal format, and import java.swing.xv. Okay, for this is the class main shoes, this is the main body. So for the first line is public static void main. So we declare, make the object, and declare integer quantity a. A is for the input, how many shoes that you want to input, and string type brand code, and double for price. Okay, first of all, the output will come out, enter how many shoes that you want to input. So we put the data and we loop based on the data, the data that you input for the this line. So if we input two shoes, then it will loop for two times. Okay, in the loop we got the user must key in the data for the type of shoes, code, type of shoe like sport shoes or boot or sneakers. For the enter the shoes code is the code of the shoes. Enter the shoes brand, the brand of the shoes like Nike, Adidas, and etc. And enter the shoes price, the price of the shoes, each shoes, and lastly enter the shoes quantity. Okay, for the and this one code type brand price quantity is based on uh, the the place based on the loop question. Okay, so this is the object. Double this if the line of code to find the sum and average in Q search. So object P double total declare to 0.0 and average 0.0. Q temporarily and equal to new Q. So while P shoes the Q shoes 1 equal to new shoes, and shoes 1 equal to shoes P. Total plus shoes 1 dot get price, call the data and times by shoes 1 dot get quantity, then temporarily and Q shoes 1. So average we total divided by A, and system to print the total of all should is df dot format total, and system dot print average for the shoes is df dot format average. So while temp is empty, p equal to temp dot dq, and shoes h dot nq. So he will end here, and if you want to find the minimum price of shoes, object obj equal to shoes h dot dq, bracket close bracket temp dot nq, open bracket obj close bracket shoes maximum minimum equal to shoes obj, and double minimum declare the minimum is double, the maximum is double too, and maximum dot get price, maximum minimum dot get price. And in this loop, while shoes that is empty, object call shoes that dot dq shoes prm shoes obj, and if prm dot get price is less than minimum, it will the minimum will declare as prm dot get price, and if the prm dot get price is more than maximum, maximum will declare as prm dot get price, and temporarily nq. Okay, for the and after that the system will pop out the minimum price of the shoes and the maximum price of the shoes. Okay, if we want to search the information, we can use this line of code, system.out.print, enter shoes that you want to find, string search, we go to s dot next, boolean found equal to false, shoes search f dot equal to new shoes, object obj f, where shoes is empty, object f switch dq, shoes sr new shoes, sr shoes object f. If sr dot get type dot equal is ignore case search found true, search f sr, then it will break. Temp.enqueue.sr. If the data is found, the system dot operation choose is found plus search f dot to string. As if not found, system dot out operation choose is not found. While not temporarily is empty, object f temp dot deq search h dot enqueue object f. If we want to remove the data, we can use this line of code. String remove qr equal to new q choose to object r new object, and system dot print enter the type that you want to remove. So r remove equal to s dot next, and y choose not choose h dot is empty, object r choose h dot deq choose to equal to choose objr. If choose to dot get type dot equal ignore case, it will remove, and r dot enqueue choose to that push choose as that push choose to. Temporarily enqueue and choose to. Okay, and if you want to find the stack, you can use this line of code. Qtemp new q string print, and start from here. Yeah, I think start choose stack 2 equal to new stack string print 2 equal to slash n, and y not choose as is empty, object objs equal to choose stack 2 dot pop. And the output, do you want to delete all the data in the stack, yes or no? If you say yes, stack is empty. If you say no, the stack is not deleted. So that's all of my coding, and I will show you the program when I run it. Okay, sorry, I got a technical problem. Let me close this first. Okay, now I can run. Okay, enter how many shoes that you want to input. I just put 2. Enter the shoes type. Just put sport shoes. Shoes code. Oh, sorry, close first. Okay, enter how many input. I have to input. And shoes type sport. The code is 254. Enter the shoes brand is Nike, price 20.1, quantity 2. Enter the shoes type for the second loop, boot. Enter the code 84, enter the brand 3, Adidas. Enter the price 21.0, the quantity that I want to buy. Okay, now the total of all shoes is 82.2, average is 41.1, minimum price of shoes is 20.1, and maximum price of the shoes is 21.0. Okay, and enter the shoes that you want to find. I want to find sport. Okay, shoes is found and about the shoe details, about the code, type, brand, price, quantity, the data, enter the shoe type that you want to remove. I want to remove spot and already been removed. And do you want to delete all the data in the stack? No. Okay, stack is not deleted. Okay, that's all of my presentation about my system. Thank you.